This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3720MD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Keystone is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Stanton interior, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, self-contained, TV antenna, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Alpine 3720MD is 13,920 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3720MD. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.